pinakita ni NBI Director Matibag, yung connection ng investigation nila sa grave threats and sa inciting to sedition, which ultimately boils down to, nakita natin yung 5 standards, Unang-una, yung pattern of violence, na-prove yung pattern of violence. Pangalawa, yung capacity, kayang-kaya ba ng Vice President gawin yan? Identity, admitted naman na ay siya yun, sa mga videos. At mga iba pa, kagaya ng motive, Of course, she has a motive because if anything happens to the president, she will be the next in line. Ito yung mga standards na ginamit. These are the very same standards to determine fitness. Fitness to occupy your present position as Vice President at saka yung betrayal of public trust. Ikaw ba naman magta-trust ka sa isang public official na ang default reaction hindi reasoning. Ang default reaction niya is violence. We saw that in the testimony of NBI Director Matibag when he showed nung nagalit si Vice President Sara sa isang sheriff, she was then mayor, sinuntok na lang niya instead of reasoning out, So mga ganyan, what is the relationship to the impeachable offense? Balik tayo lagi sa impeachable offense because pinapalayo ng mga defense lawyers yung elements of the crime lagi ang pinoprove. We must remember, this is not a criminal case. This is an impeachment case. Through her actions of hiring a person to kill, through her actions of wanting to cut off the head of the president, at saka yung pagmumura against the administration, yung ba ay nagpapakita ng fitness? Is she fit? Is she fit to become the next president? Is she even fit to retain her office? Yun ang connection dyan.